Hi, good morning everyone. Shall we begin our today's class? Here, I would like to introduce to Mr. Brian. Mr. Brian is a farmer. Every morning, he starts work when the sun shines brightly in the sky. Mr. Brian plants a lot of vegetables. Many people buy his fresh vegetables because he uses fertilizer. Every evening, Mr. Brian tidies up his workplace and then he goes home in his old car. In all these sentences, some words are put in blue boxes. Have you noticed it, children? Do you know why is it done so? Come on, let's find it out. Those words are starts, shines, plants, buy, uses, tidies, and goes. These words tell us that Mr. Brian does all these activities every day in his life, and so we can say these words are in the simple present tense. So today we are going to learn about simple present tense. Sentences that we use to talk about actions that happen in the present moment are said to be in the simple present tense. For example, the dog barks at the stranger. We also use the simple present tense to talk about a universal truth. For example, the earth moves around the sun. Also to talk about a habit or routine. For example, he walks to school every morning. Now let's see the forming of verbs in the simple present tense. The dog barks at night. The sun rises in the east. He walks to school every morning. The noun in the first sentence is dog. In the second sentence is sun, and the pronoun used in the third sentence is he. They are singular. So if it is a singular noun or pronoun, we usually add s to the verb to make it simple present tense. Now look at these sentences. The children play in the park. They eat vegetables. Now here the noun in the first sentence and the pronoun used in the second sentence are plural. So if it is a plural noun or pronoun, we use the base form or the root form of the verb. That is, we do not add anything with the verb. Same way with pronouns I and you also, we always take the base form of the verb. Look at these sentences. I walk to school with my friends every day. You write very neatly. Here, the verbs walk and write remains the same because the sentences begin with pronouns I and you. Let's look at some more verbs. For verbs ending with consonant and y, we replace y with I and add es. For example, look at the verb study. It is ending with a consonant and y. So y is replaced with I and es is also added. Same way with the verb worry. It ends with a consonant and a y. So y is replaced with I and es is also added. You can see an example here. She studies hard every night so that she can pass her exam. For verbs ending with vowel and y, we add s to the verb. For example, let's look at the verb pray. We add an s to make it in the simple present tense. Rohan prays every day. For verbs ending with o, ss, ch, sh, and x, we add es to the verb to make its simple present tense. Let's look at these verbs. Go changes to goes, cross becomes crosses, watch watches, wash washes, and fix changes to fixes. Look at these sentences. My mother goes to the supermarket every Sunday. Jessica crosses that road every morning. Tommy watches television every night. He washes his car every week. There are more examples given on page 40 and 41 in your textbook, children. You must read it thoroughly. Now let's move to the textbook exercises. Look at exercise number 1. Circle the correct verb in brackets to complete each sentence. Look at the second sentence. I dash in the church choir every Sunday. In the bracket you can see sing and sings. So with I, you will always use the base form of the verb. That is, I sing. Number 3. Chitra dashed to dance in the rain. Love or loves. Chitra is a singular noun. So you will add S with the verb. So Chitra loves to dance in the rain. Next one. The 8 planets dash around the sun. Orbit or orbits. Here the noun is plural. So verb will be without S. The 8 planets orbit around the sun. Now the second exercise. Fill in the blanks with verbs from the box. Look at sentence number 4. I dash in Gurugram, Haryana. Now which word is matching? Yes, it is I live. Next one. We dash Christmas on 25th December. Which word is matching here, children? Yes, it is we celebrate. Last one. Mahesh Nair dash his work sincerely. Which one will you use here? Yes, Mahesh Nair does his work sincerely. Very good. Now the last exercise. Tick the correct sentence and cross out the incorrect one in each pair. Look at the second sentence. Shreya and Sonam exercises every day. Shreya and Sonam exercise every day. Which is the correct one, children? Shreya and Sonam. There are 2 people. So it's plural. So with a plural noun, you will use the base form of the verb. So the correct sentence is the second one. So you will tick it and cross the first one. Now the third sentence. This t-shirt costed 600 rupees. This t-shirt costs 600 rupees. T-shirt is a singular noun. So you will add S with the verb. So the second sentence is the correct one. So tick it and cross the first one. Look at the last sentence. Rohan plays hockey every evening. Rohan play hockey every evening. Here the first sentence is the correct answer because Rohan is a singular noun. So for a singular noun, you will use S with the verb. I hope this is clear to everybody. Now complete all the exercises and send it to your class teacher. Thank you, children.